Suresh Prabhu, former Union Minister for Power in the NDA government, GVL Narasimha Rao of the BJP, Lord Meghnad Desai, joining us from London, and Professor R. Vaidyanathan. Now, these are the four panelists who I suspect have a pro-government position on this matter. And on the other side, Sanjay Jha, Congress spokesperson. There is Bijon Mishra, who is unforgiving about the government on this one. And I never ever try to read Swaminathan Iyer's mind. Swami, let me start with you. You know, this government came to power as much, about Rahul Gandhi not measuring up to Narendra Modi in the leadership stakes, as much, I think, if not more, because of prices. Now, they're not going to get a very, smooth going. It's not going to be smooth for them if they tell people, take the bitter pill. Is this the beginning of bad times for the Aam Aadmi?
Okay, there is a big macro issue and there is a very specific micro issue regarding onions. There is a macro issue that if you don't tackle supply, demand and expectations, we've been having double-digit consumer inflation on average for 5 years in a row. So get away from onions. There is a very, very large macro issue. Within that macro issue, you have to be able to increase the supply, you have to be able to manage demand, and very important, you have to be able to manage expectations. We have got to a stage where I think everybody expects that in the lean season or where if there's any difficulty, the price of onions and potatoes goes up by 100, 200%, and then later it comes down. But the volatility of rising by 200% and falling, I don't know very many countries where this happens. So, there's a lack of any price resistance. People say that there's a lot of hoarding. If there's a lot of hoarding, then the rate should uncover godowns full of potatoes and onions. And if that was happening, I'm sure your TV cameras would be out there doing it. Instead, I find people are saying that, there is hoarding. Maybe there is, but let us have some better evidence. I would also say, is there, for instance, collusion? Is there an implicit agreement between retailers that, whatever the wholesale price is, we will have a markup of 75% or 100%? If so, that requires a different kind of action. Above all, it requires, I think, a situation where within every colony in Delhi, both potatoes and onions, the two most important vegetables, have a substantial shelf life. They don't get bad in no time. So every colony should be making an arrangement that if we find that there's a huge difference between the wholesale price and the retail price, you should go out there and buy 100 kilos of each commodities from members of your own colony. And if you sell that, that will immediately create price resistance, which will tend to bring
all
down
this
prices.
means the government is helpless.
Action, I think, on a very large number, but beyond that, both potatoes and onions are 80% moisture, only 20% dry matter. Ashok Gulati, former Commissioner of Agricultural Prices, he has argued that we should set up large-scale plants for dehydration. So if you dehydrate these at the peak season when the prices have fallen, then you are in a position to rehydrate them and introduce them into the market, increase the supply any time that you see the price go through the roof. That I think is a suggestion that needs to be taken.
I have no problems with the cure. Of course there has to be a cure. I am simply making a political point. And I think Suresh Prabhu and the BJP need to answer this. They would be fooling themselves if they don't believe that it is 6 cycles of skyrocketing onion prices in the last 9 years which as much contributed to the exit, if not the demise of the UPA. But they don't seem to care, Mr. Rao. What is this? You got the mandate, we'll do what we want. Kadwi dawai, bitter pill, people must understand. We've got the numbers, you can't shake us anyway. You can have a little bit of a diesel hike, you can have a little bit of the petrol hike. Wholesale inflation can go to 6%. Percentage over what is in April. Food inflation can go to 9.5%, which is 1% higher than what is in April, and keep going higher. It's all right, let people understand. Onions will go up, they'll double up. Potatoes will go up, it'll double up. So what? There's no general election coming, right, Mr. Rao? Take it easy.
No,
Take it easy.
No, I think this is not.
Send signals abroad. Let the Aam Aadmi suffer. No. I really think today, Mr. Rao, I would not have pushed this point so hard, but I will. No, Mr. Rao, 1 minute. I would not have pushed the point so hard, but I will. I remember the caustic, acidic comments of the BJP on the issue of price rise. And Mr. Modi himself saying that Vajpayee ji and Morarji ji could stop the price rise. Why can't we? The BJP will stop the price rise. I'm saying to you tonight, stop it now, because there are accusations being made that you are soft on the same trader lobbies who give you political support, don't care for the people. You are responsible, answerable only to the trader lobbies who vote for the BJP and back the BJP.
Your assessment, Arnab, I must
It's an
protest,
accusation
is not
of your
borne out
political
by-
rivals.
Not borne out by facts. I think the Prime Minister is extremely concerned about the situation. He only had.
Sir,
3
even
days
Manmohan
ago,
Singh
4
said
days
that.
ago,
Tell me
he had a
something new.
review. No, one second.
Even Manmohan Singh was bothered about the situation for 9 years.
There was no action during UPA rule.
Arey, you
And
called
under
UPA
Prime Minister
Mehangai
Modi,
Badhao Sarkar.
There is action.
You call them
There
Mehangai
have been-
Badhao Sarkar.
No, listen. So you see, on 17th of June, you had Finance Minister unveiling a slew of measures to contain inflation. And on 27th or 26th of June, you
Is
had
it
Prime
helping?
Minister having
Is it
a very
helping?
high-level review.
Is it helping? My onion prices
come on,
are going
you see,
up.
This will help. This will help.
Really?
It will not help onion prices tomorrow. This will not help tomorrow or maybe next week.
Can you tell
But
us, give us
need
some idea
the
what is your
government-
long-term...
you
Sanjay
need
Jha
the
coming into the
government
debate.
at the center.
Sanjay Jha, who's on the other
No,
side
come on,
tonight, very
see,
interesting. Bajon
this
Mishra.
is a government that is in action.
Sir,
This is not a government
sir,
that's left for 10 years.
Sir, your government is putting the onus on for food inflation on states. I am sorry to say this. This rings similar to the arguments put by the UPA government, which you call Mehangai Badhao Sarkar. Sanjay Jha debating on the other side. He must be enjoying
No,
this.
we are
being on the other
taking
side.
measures.
Sanjay Jha.
They were sleeping.
Fine, it doesn't matter.
soaked in
People are
oil.
suffering.
We are
Sanjay
trying
Jha.
to calm it
enjoying
down.
it, but I want to remind Mr. Rao, assuming Mr. Rao will hear me out. Mr. Rao, I remember I've had several discussions on Times Now and some other channels as well on price rises. And every time we talked about the fact that when the terrible Great Recession happened in 2007-8, Eurozone went down, we had provided for a massive fiscal stimulus, which led to a lot of flooding of the economy with money. And the demand at the supply side that Mr. Swamy said earlier did not happen. It led to inflation. We battled it for 4 or 5 years. We have paid a huge political cost. Every time we mention that,
But
Mr.
you
Rao, the
soaked
BJP
inflation.
on the panel
What all
mocked
you
the
did
discussion. I want to tell you today,
inflation. We are
I want to
trying to
tell you
calm it
today,
down. We are
Mr.
trying
Rao,
to
just
calm
give
it
me 1
down.
minute. Mr. Rao, just give me 1 minute. You have to recognize today that you are facing some serious economic headwinds on account of a delayed monsoon, which is not in your control, I will admit, and also the fact that the Iraq crisis might push up crude oil prices. These are realities of governance which today you will have to take note of, that you ignored when we were there in government. And Arnab, I want to make one point to what Mr. Swamy said earlier. You see, all this talk about hoarding is a lot of absolute, in my opinion, gobbledygook. Because the reason why prices are going up is not on account of cereals alone. It's going up on account of fruits, vegetables, milk, eggs, meat products which are perishable, and they cannot be hoarded beyond just a couple of days. So there's no hoarding of really meat products or fruit and vegetables which are perishable.
No, one
so
second.
This is,
What,
nothing
is this
but
an
a whole
NDA
lot of,
discovery?
trying to be
no, 1
dramatic
second.
about nothing.
No, 1 second. Is
The
this an?
truth-
Is the no? 1 second. Are you
No,
crystal?
I-
No,
I'm
1
just gonna
second. 1
tell
minute.
you
No,
that
1
they're
minute,
trying
Mr.
to
Mr.
divert
Jha.
attention
Mr. Jha, hold yourself
fact
there
that
because
they've
I
done
find this
nothing.
exasperating.
Production.
No, 1 second. Congress says today that the ruling party has to walk the talk and tackle prices for the Aam Aadmi. Are you Christopher Columbus, Sanjay Jha, that you just discovered that you led the country to a situation where there was a 25% increase in prices in 1 month, where the country had its highest onion harvest recorded in the previous financial year? You explain to me. You explain to me, or I'll let Bajon Mishra in because he has strong. What economics explains the situation,
explain to
sir?
you.
But pure, you don't care. Pure inaction, apathy, failure by government after government to care for the Aam Aadmi, the common man, the middle class, and take a middle class and the salaried class and take them for a ride. Bajon Mishra has a question. Bajon, can you let either side off on
I'm
this?
going to give you an answer.
Bajon Mishra is coming in. Bajon Mishra,
I'll
please.
give you an answer.
Let Bajon Mishra come in first.
Fruit and
Let
vegetables
Bajon Mishra come in, sir. No, I don't trust any party anymore.
Supplies to be steady and to be stable, you need cold storage.
Sir, what did you do for 10 years? You were inventing the refrigerator.
No.
You were inventing the refrigerator for 10 years. Then you talk about cold storage.
He's talking rubbish.
That delayed the FDI in multi-brand retail.
Oh, please,
I'm trying to explain to you, if you had FDI in
no,
multi-brand retail
please,
2-3
please,
years
please,
ago,
Bajon Mishra is rebutting you, sir. Please let him come in.
biggest revenue earners.
Sir, I'm going to put the prices up. You know it's serious.
Arnab, the earlier government least bothered about the consumers. You see, what you have to understand is the Essential Commodities Act, that was an act which was brought in empowering the states to declare essential goods, to control prices, and to ensure that there is a constant supply in terms of the demand. And the Congress government miserably failed in terms of ensuring that the Essential Commodities Act is implemented in letter and spirit at the state level. And that is why today we are suffering, because all the state governments are behaving in the same manner as they did in the last 10 years. Now let me share with you what is happening in the present
Are
government.
you building a defense for the BJP? Are you building a defense for the BJP?
Stating reality.
No,
What-
I'm,
what-
I'm,
No, no, what-
I'm
no,
building
what's
a
it?
defense.
Highly
I'm building
myopic and
I'm building a
distorted
I'm not a political
understanding of a
person.
very critical
I'm a,
But
I'm
he's
a
building a
non-political
defense for the
person.
BJP.
So let me come with facts and figures.
You sure
Let
your
me
facts
come-
and figures?
Let me come with,
Your argument is a
let me come with
pro-BJP
facts and
argument.
figures.
That one raises a
Let me
laugh.
come. No. No, it is not pro-BJP. It is not pro-BJP. It is not pro-BJP. It is not anti-UPA. It is the fact which I am trying to tell your viewers, which people must understand. The state governments are responsible for all this price increase.
Wow.
And we must ensure that the Essential Commodities Act is immediately amended to make
why
sure
you
that the
blaming
central
the
government
UPA?
can
Then why
intervene
you blaming
when the
the
state
UPA?
governments are refusing to intervene. I'm blaming the
No, because the UPA
because the
forced
UPA
inflation.
failed to do this, which they were supposed to do in the last 10
Lord
years.
Desai,
They
Lord
failed.
Desai,
They could not control the
Desai,
state
you
government.
should know the
They
basics.
could not-
You should know the
they
basics.
could not bring in.
Can I
State
comment?
government is responsible
You see-
for items in terms of distribution.
So I
public
don't-
distribution
I don't
system,
buy it.
Preventing hoarding, etc. APMC Act
So
implementation.
it comes under
But the
PDS. It
central
can be brought
government
under
is responsible
PDS.
for boosting
Onions can be
production
brought under PDS.
and ensuring there are no supply side constraints.
Don't give me this-
creating
Yes.
a better fiscal and monetary policy.
Absolutely.
Jha,
agricultural
Absolutely.
and industrial production.
So there has to be
So
good,
both of them
good
have a
farming
role.
practices,
But you are very
good agricultural
conveniently
practices,
blaming
How
the UPA.
ironical
practices,
tonight, isn't it?
good distribution
How
practices.
ironical tonight. How ironical tonight. Supremely ironical. Suresh Prabhu, Meghnad Desai and Professor Vaidyanathan haven't come to the debate. By the way, it's an open debate. You can come in anytime you want. But how ironical tonight that this government puts the onus of dealing with food inflation to the states, which rings horribly similar, Professor Vaidyanathan, to the arguments put by the UPA government. I mean, if prices... Don't shake your head, Mr. Rao. This is a fact.
No, it's
The shoe
no,
pinches
because
when it is
whatever
on the
is
other foot.
domain of the central government,
Mr.
the central government is doing. The central government is unveiling all the measures that fall
you
within
used
the
to
domain
laugh
of the
at
central
Chidambaram.
government. The
You used to laugh at
implementation-
Chidambaram. One second, Mr. I'll say it today openly.
No.
You
they
used to
have
laugh
they
at
have
Chidambaram
exported onions.
and make fun
They
of
have
Manmohan
exported
Singh.
onions when
But
the
he never
country
did.
needed them the most.
You used to laugh at Chidambaram and make fun of Manmohan Singh when he passed the buck to the state government for not effectively tackling inflation, saying the Agricultural Produce Markets Act and the Essential Commodities Act are entirely in the domain of the state government. You laughed at him, and at that point of time, your government, your BJP repeatedly said the NDA government, the UPA government should immediately resign. In fact, I'll tell you
This
what.
Act is getting amended
No,
now.
One
but
second,
we
Professor
have to
Vaidyanathan.
commodities
Professor
act is
Vaidyanathan
getting
coming to the
amended
debate.
now.
Professor
You seem to
Vaidyanathan.
be taking only a part of our. You seem to be looking at only a part of the measures that we have unveiled.
Sir, you are-
I think
you
we
are
have talked about the finance minister talked. Listen to me. Finance minister talked about releasing.
Sir, people have
rice
lost
to the open
patience with
market
all this.
to bring down the prices of rice. He talked about we have advised states to take fruits and vegetables out of APMC Act. We have
The time
put a
to
minimum
talk about
export
is
price
over.
on. We have
The
put a
time to
minimum
talk about
export
was the
price
election
on
time when you
onions and
spoke a lot.
potatoes.
Now,
Sir, you came to
Because
power,
onion
Mr.
prices-
Rao. Who told
We
you
are
to
doing whatever
overpromise
is
and
in the domain of
underdeliver?
the
Mr.
central
Rao,
government.
forget the promise. Focus on the performance.
Mr. Rao, a
We
great...
are-
Promise, focus on the
We are-
performance. Forget your
we are-
assurance. Focus on
we-
the action.
we-
What action are you taking?
We are
and
we
you have
are in
taken no
action
action
mode.
so far.
You were
other
sleeping
than
for
fast
10
track
years.
courts for
The
hoarders,
Congress was
which will
sleeping
never
for 10
happen
years.
because
You
they are your
stoked
voting
inflation.
constituency. Hoarders are your
have
voting
stoked
constituency.
inflation.
Traders are your
have-
core vote bank. You will never take any action against
I
them at
think
any
this
of
is
your
nonsense.
states. Can you give me
This
one
is-
example of
this
any
is-
action you have taken
This is
against
utter
hoarders
nonsense.
in
We have come
Chhattisgarh,
to power.
in Madhya
The
Pradesh,
people of
in
India have
Gujarat?
voted for us.
Can you tell
not
me
any
one
particular
example?
section of the society. I think
or even in Punjab, by the way. Can I tell you, Mr. Rao, Punjab is an agricultural producing state.
You have been routed by every single community.
Punjab is
I think you
actually
have no
surplus in
basis to say
agriculture,
anything that you're saying
and
today,
Punjab
Sanjay.
has rising prices.
Sir,
Punjab has rising prices despite being the food grain cultivation
Sir, this
center
is
of India.
no,
How
no,
do you
Mr.
explain that?
Vaidyanathan.
What action
No,
has
one
been
second.
taken
I'm
against
going to the
all
others, please. Let the others come in. Mr. Vaidyanathan, Professor Meghnath Desai, I haven't even spoken, neither has Suresh Prabhu. My question is, why is... No, one second. Professor Vaidyanathan and Suresh Prabhu, why is there a sense of great violation? Oh my God, why are these questions being asked to us? We've only been in power for a month and a half. Did you come to power in the promise saying... 1 minute.
In this time frame,
Did the BJP, Professor Vaidyanathan, I know it hurts. You're in power, by the way. Professor Vaidyanathan, did the BJP come to power saying Achhe Din will come after 2-3 years and for 2-3 years it will be Bure Din? Or for 2-3 months it will be Bure Din? And why is it looking so difficult for the NDA government to solve this?
Arnab, if I recall very interestingly, in Europe there was a survey done a couple of years before, which number given by the government is least believed by people, and there was a unanimous decision that it is the inflation rate. First, let me tell you, if they say inflation is 8%, it is actually 12 or 16%, not 8%. I think we should recognize this. Second is, inflation is a method by which wealth is shifted from poorer segment to richer segment.
Well said.
So there is whether it is a UPA or NDA, they should be very clear about, and this is going to be a huge challenge for this current government. It's not going to go away or run away or anything. If you are excessively obsessed about Sensex and FII only, if you are not going to be concerned about an average ordinary person, and this problem will persist. Second, why can't the government publish very clearly how much of these are exported even today? And why don't the government open it up in the short run, maybe for a month or so, for unlimited imports? See, this whole thing of, the traders are hoarding and households are hoarding and, this is, 45 years we have heard about this.
Exactly. No, it's not hoarding.
This is a major challenge because, Arnab, I tell you today, Finance Ministry has released figures, nearly 50% of the fiscal deficit of this whole year, 14 to 15, has already been achieved, if you can use that word, in 2 months, April and May. Let me repeat it. Chidambaram has achieved in 2 months the entire 50% of the fiscal deficit which he forecast. So the situation is going to be extremely unfavorable for the current government unless they realize that they have to catch the bull by the horn.
No, you're saying they're not.
One thing is
so you're saying
generally
they're not.
argue.
Your argument basically is, one second. Professor, let me go to the nub of the issue.
Every cabinet minister. No, let me finish.
Okay, let him finish.
Arnab, let me finish.
Okay, by the way, I'm just telling the viewers tonight, Professor, I just have an announcement for the viewers and I continue. I just want to tell our viewers who are calling into the Newshour studios, 1 minute please. This is for the viewers. I am flooded with calls tonight. I'm going to take the discussion. I am saying to our viewers, we will take calls, just letting the introductory comments complete. We are flooded with calls tonight. Yes, please complete your point quickly, sir.
My point is last one. The cabinet ministers, senior bureaucrats, members of parliament should go by themselves, buy vegetables, buy provisions, buy milk and buy egg. Then only they will understand what is happening in this country.
Well said.
I used to carry 100 rupees couple of months before. Today I have to carry 500 rupees for buying vegetables.
Very well.
This is not some dry statistics which we are discussing.
Very good.
It's a livelihood of people, and particularly for provisions, vegetables and other things, poorer segments are finding it extremely difficult. Banana in Bangalore, good banana costs 5 rupees. How many people can afford it? And it is supposed to be a poor man's food. I think this is as much as an external aggression by a foreign enemy. There is an internal war situation. It has to be tackled on a war footing.
I don't know, why can't we catch the enemy? Meghnath Desai and Suresh Prabhu, who have been very disciplined and were listening on to the debate, sir, I want both of you, first Meghnath Desai and then Suresh Prabhu, to tell me just one thing. Professor Vaidyanathan's basic assumption is something needs to be done, but it is not being done. It is not being recognized. It is not being addressed. And he says, Meghnad Desai, that you can't be obsessed about the Sensex and the FII. So he begins with a premise that what is happening is unnatural because there isn't the resolve to tackle it with the sincerity that it should be. Meghnad Desai, and let me tell you, Professor Vaidyanathan is not a Congress-leaning economist
Yes.
at all, by far, in
you-
fact. Yeah.
Sorry, I do think that to expect any government, no matter how powerful, to control a 5-year inflation process in 35 days is just impossible. Whether it's the BJP, UPA, nobody. Okay? Control of inflation, I've said in print long ago, it'll take 9 to 12 months. And it is absolutely, what I would say, pointless to expect government to jump up and down. Governments don't control prices. They can at most do things on the supply side or on constraints on the demand
Sir,
side.
did Modi say that when he was
happens
in the
very
campaign?
quickly. Things
Did
take
Modi say
time.
that
Things
when he
take
was on
time
the
in
campaign
economics.
that governments don't
it
control
is
prices?
cynical to say, hang on, listen to me. Arnab, listen to me. Listen to me. It is cynical to expect any government to control inflation in 30 days.
No.
Even if you
One
cut
sec.
the
Nobody's saying
head of
30 days,
every
but I
holder.
contest your premise that you
You
can't do
still
anything
won't
to
be able to control inflation.
Governments
So
do control
inflation in India, listen.
Was that an attempt to mislead the nation?
Listen, can I say?
So the
First
President
of
of
all,
India
we
says-
ought to abandon the illusion.
Misled
We
the
ought
people
to
of India
abandon.
through irrational
Okay,
expectations
forget it.
without
No.
any sound economic
Forget it.
argument.
No,
That's a very
Sanjay Chai is
serious
countering you,
accusation
sir.
Desai is making.
No, don't get upset. Sanjay Chai is only countering you, sir. Why are you saying forget it? He's saying that was there an attempt to mislead the nation, Meghnad Desai? When through the entire election campaign, he says Modi only talked about inflation.
Nobody had promised to bring inflation down in 1 month.
But they promised
Okay.
to bring inflation down,
Nobody
sir.
did.
They promised to bring inflation down. They made it look
But
easy.
not in 1 month.
Arnav,
But not in 1
Arnav,
month.
why don't you ask
Not
Lord
in
Desai
1 month.
question and to
Nobody
Mr. Prabhu?
is
So,
that
Arnab,
stupid.
you must
Nobody
appreciate-
is that
Prabhu
stupid.
is saying-
Arnab,
Mr.
nobody
Prabhu
is so
saying that the
stupid.
fiscal deficit
Nobody
going
is
to
so
be high.
stupid as
Why
to
has
promise
this
bring
government-
inflation down
why
in
has
1
the
month.
BJP government deferred the decision
UPA was
on
using
gas price
inflation
hike? No, 1 minute.
systematically.
If you want to contain the fiscal
Inflation-
deficit, why have you deferred your
No,
decision
no.
on the gas price hike? Take the
Come on,
tough
Sanjay
decision.
Jha.
Where is the bitter pill?
I think you
Why are you
told the
delaying
people
that?
of
Listen,
Let us see this government
the
by
budget-
Why are
the
you deferring
deficit-
your decision by 3
deficit-
months?
Make false promises to people.
No, first of all, Sanjay.
No, 1 minute.
Can
If
I
you want
talk?
to talk about bitter
Can I
pill,
talk or
why
can
are
I
you
not talk?
hesitating?
Responsible
Why are
government.
you
Can I
pussyfooting
talk or
around?
can I not talk?
Responsible
Then
government
take the
would
hard
mean-
decisions. Let us
Can
see how
I
you
talk
handle
or can I
that.
not talk?
No, I'm
Or
finding
you
it,
want
I
to
find it
forget
very
Maharashtra
amusing. I'm
and
going to Suresh Prabhu, please. I'm going to Suresh Prabhu, please. Suresh Prabhu, I find it amusing, the Congress attack, because I remember a person called Kapil Sibal in September 2013 when reporters went up to him and says, what do you want to do about the prices? He says, keep quiet. The government does not sell onions, he says. What kind of questions do you ask? Go ask the traders. We don't sell onions. That was the contempt with which Kapil Sibal spoke. How can you turn around Sanjay Jha and start preaching to the government what it should do, what you didn't do for more than 10 years? Suresh Prabhu, please.
Yeah.
Yes,
No,
that's the
first of all,
that's the
very
brunt.
unfortunate
That's the brunt we are
that
getting today.
The price rising is happening. So this is really sad that nobody is going to say that a price rise is good. So price rise has to be controlled, has to be a priority, and which is the priority of this government. The issue is, for last 5 years continuously, we have got 10% plus inflation, of which significant part is coming from food inflation, of which the basket of food, which actually contributes significantly to this, is what you just mentioned: eggs, vegetables, fruits, milk and stuff like that. Now the question is, last 5 years we couldn't control it. This government is in office for less than 5 weeks. So what was not done in 5 years, we expect to do it in 5 weeks.
What is the problem?
So that is what something which you really need to do.
No, you
therefore
tell what is the problem?
No, just listen. The priority of this government has to be to control inflation, which is the priority.
No, what is the
There are
is
two
the
things,
problem
or
hoarding?
three things or four things we can do, of which, but the point just
The problem is hoarding.
What
What
has
are you
happened
doing
is
to control
there are
the fiscal
structural
deficit?
issues.
We'll wait for
There
the
are
budget.
structural issues.
But why do
there
you
are
then delay
structural
the
issues
gas
which
price hike?
contribute to
Take the tough
inflation.
decision.
You cannot tackle those structural issues in 5 weeks. There are issues like monetary policy. There are issues like fiscal policy. The first budget of the government is yet to be announced. So therefore, there is no fiscal policy that has been announced by this government at all. Then, all throughout we have been saying that we never could create a type of a cold chain or a supply chain to make sure that 30-40% of the food grain that is lost.
So this is
particularly the
not
fruits
what
and
you said
vegetables,
on the
we
election
could never create
trail.
a system whereby
You didn't say
they
on
could
the
be brought
election
to the
trail,
market.
let us
So
build
we
a
lost
cold
10
storage
years
facility.
to do this.
No,
Now the
please don't.
question is-
Professor Vaidyanathan.
People,
Professor
they have to-
Vaidyanathan wants to respond to you,
If you
Suresh
recall-
Prabhu.
No, if you
Professor
recall,
Vaidyanathan is
Dr.
responding to
Manmohan Singh
Suresh
had said
Prabhu.
that he will bring down the inflation in 100 days.
No, sir, you didn't. But I'm telling you today, in Bangalore, onion prices have gone up by 40%. In Ahmedabad, tomato prices have gone up by 100%. In Hyderabad, onion prices have gone up by 100%. And I'd say very much, sir, you are answerable. You can't tell me today, let's set up a cold storage facility. Professor Vaidyanathan responding to you. Professor Vaidyanathan.
My only point is that this is not yet treated on a war footing. I have been tracking, I have here 310 total articles in all the pink papers by this government, ministers, MPs, representatives and others. Only 5% of it talks about inflation as an issue, whereas 53% is talking about either Vodafone tax should be reversed or whether Sensex should be increased or steps should be taken. This is the attitude
Swami.
which is worrying actually. What should be done?
I think that's not
You
fair.
must exhibit. You must exhibit
him speak, Mr. Rao.
a single-minded
Come on. I think
message
that's not fair.
to the
I
country
think
at
that's
large
not the kind
that
of an
we are
analysis
concerned
that
about
really makes
inflation.
sense.
Very important.
What more do you want?
You
The
must
Prime Minister,
single-minded
in a month,
way.
No, that is
The
right.
Prime Minister has a review across all ministries, and the Finance Minister takes an interministerial meeting on 17th of June, and all the states have been
Sir, we
communicated.
want you to understand
a
it's
long
an
list of
emergency.
steps have been unveiled. Results will not be
Arnab.
seen next
No,
day.
sir, what
Arnab,
This government
let
is
me give an
highly-
example.
This is the
When
top
the-
priority. Arnab,
when
this
the-
is the top priority of this government. But you don't expect every minister to talk
Bijan
about
Mishra.
it.
No.
The
Bijan
finance
Mishra is
minister
countering.
will
One
talk
second,
about it.
Professor
When the-
Vaidyanathan. I'm letting
When the
Bijan Mishra
prices
counter.
about it,
Bijan Mishra to counter next.
Arnab,
Bijan Mishra.
Let me
You don't
give an
expect every
example.
minister to talk
Bijan
about
Mishra is
it.
countering.
I fully
When the prices of Indians
I-
were rising,
I fully agree
Jayalalitha
with this
went
point
and
that-
courageously opened 5 rupee, 1 rupee type of canteens all over the state. You must initiate significant steps.
absolutely.
When
You
salt
see,
prices shot up, the Chief Minister of Tamil Nadu decided to provide at a highly acceptable rate. That is not seen. Again, we are talking about catch the
You see,
hoarders and that long-term
you see,
planning. We must
I fully
improve our
agree.
rainfall.
Mr. Rao, that's Bijan Mishra speaking now, please.
I fully agree that the attention which needs to be given is not enough and sufficient. It's only the Consumer Affairs Ministry, the Department of Consumer Affairs is constantly talking to us to figure out how we can have a price watch, how the people price watch can come into practice, how we can ensure that these prices don't go up. But the Prime Minister's office has to take it up on a war footing, and there has to be a kind of a mechanism brought into place which has to ensure that whatever he has promised to the people before coming into power in the manifesto, he has to show those signs and steps that he's taking. No other ministry is talking about consumer protection other than Department of Consumer
And the question here is, the question here is to Swami. One second, Swami and Meghnad Desai. One second, Swami and Meghnad Desai, let's get this argument. I want the perspective from them. Narendra Modi said in a speech, which has been spoken about, Swami and Meghnad Desai, I want you both on this, that if अच्छे दिन has to come, फिर कड़वी दवाई लेनी चाहिए. But this is not that. Hoarding is not कड़वी दवाई. The increase in retail prices of food items is not कड़वी दवाई. There is some theft and plundering happening in the system. This is not part of the bitter pill, is it, Swami?
Okay, Arnab, the fact is that Modi overpromised. The fact is that Modi gave the impression that the moment he comes to power, the mere fact of his coming to power, oh my God, all the prices will come under control. Achhe din aa jayenge. Bhai, achhe din may come after prolonged policy changes. We have deep structural flaws which will not go away in 1 month
Absolutely.
or even 1 year.
But it's a promise. He must take authorship of, Mr. Swami. Nobody told him to make that promise.
And expectations created a 10% inflation per year. Expectations of 10% per year don't disappear overnight. And if they don't disappear, then there is a lack of price resistance because people are used to the idea that prices will go up and there is less price resistance. So Modi overpromised to the extent that he suffers for overpromising, he deserves to suffer. But nevertheless, whether or not he has succeeded on the inflation front will be decided in the medium term. It is not going to be decided on this 1 month. Going beyond that, the big broader picture, this country has had a collapse of productivity. With the same investment, the growth rate has halved. Now, if you have an economy where you are still investing so much but hardly producing anything, lack of production is a supply side problem. Therefore, we are not producing enough. We have to improve our productivity.
Yeah, but
that
you
is
know,
not the big picture.
no, I am on a...
Beyond that, going into the micro picture on the vegetables,
so I'll
you
take a
cannot be
caller.
done by a central government.
I'll take a caller. No, sir, I'll take a caller.
Non-BJP
No,
states.
Swami, I'll take a caller. O.P. Kapoor, retired government servant, is on the line from Delhi. He's been holding for some time. But before that, I just want to say one thing. That when the diesel hike happened in September 2012, what did Modi say? Modi said the diesel hike will have a cascading effect on prices. All essential things will go up. Very bad for farmers where there is a drought-like situation. Today, diesel has gone up by 50 paise, petrol has gone up by 1.69 litres. Why should it be unnatural for Modi or to the government to expect that the same logic you apply will be asked to you? And if you give the same defense, it will be seen to be unacceptable. O.P. Kapoor, good evening. What do you think?
And should be asked.
O.P. Kapoor, just reduce the volume of your television set first.
Absolutely.
Because otherwise I won't be able to hear you.
It remains one now.
Good evening.
Reduce the volume of your TV set, sir.
Good evening, Arnav.
Good evening, good evening.
Yes, I'm doing so. Good evening. This is my first interaction with you and with your channel.
It's our pleasure. Just reduce the television set volume, otherwise we'll hear an echo.
The question today is about the price rise in special relation to the onion. There can be only two reasons. One is the nature's wrath, and the other is the man-made. I say it is the hoarders or the profiteers. So Maharashtra state being one of the sources of the commodity, the onus lies on them to come through elements to arrest the prices. And I just want to remind my friends in the Congress that the elections are around the corner, and it is their interest that they should try very hard to check this onion price.
Sir, I take your point. O.P. Kapoor, thanks for calling in. You know, Suresh Prabhu, let's deal with this like an emergency. I see cabbage prices go up 187% in Hyderabad, means something unnatural is happening.
Yes.
Let's deal with this like an emergency. That's what Bijon Mishra is asking, instead of a blame game.
Yes.
No, this is a very serious issue, but please, we must appreciate that it's a legacy
Emergency.
issue. This is something which has been happening for last so many years. There is no magic wand by which you can change it overnight.
No, but we have to address
so
that.
We have to deal with it as an emergency, as a serious
No, but we have to address it.
But to deal with that, you need time. You know, you cannot deal with an issue which has been hanging fire for last 5 years, in which the inflation has been going up. They never tackled the supply side issues. So suddenly you cannot expect that we can solve it in few hours. So it will take time, but it is a very serious issue.
Prabhu,
it has to be tackled on a priority basis. It has to be tackled on a war footing. It has to be taken as an emergency, no doubt about it.
You'll
But the question
realize
is, you need
how
time to be given to the government
and how
to make it happen.
absolutely brazen they were in obstructing us. No, 1 minute, Mr. Prabhu. When we were taking some of the tough decisions like on diesel subsidy, it was the BJP party as an opposition that took on a Bharat Bandh, that actually tried to make everything appear as if it was anti-people when we were in fact trying to exercise fiscal prudence.
No,
now
sir.
you're talking about as a very rational economic thinker.
Sir,
that
please.
Exposes the BJP as a
No,
highly
this is
hypocritical
absolutely
and
incorrect.
you need to recognize that.
No,
reality
absolutely
today.
incorrect.
And
No,
you need to be
absolutely. No,
asked
I
some
won't
tough
let you get away with it. You can't, just because you flipped and you become an opposition party now, you can't start preaching the competitive assessment of onion markets in India.
No, but
that the
Arnab,
Competition Commission, hear me,
Arnab,
that the
can I
Competition
refrain
Commission,
to you
No, no,
the
not
way
on-
the
not only that.
BJP
the competitive
behaved
assessment of
when they were
onion
in the
markets in
opposition.
India that the Competition Commission of India commissioned, especially stressed on the need to concern towards the onion hoarding problem. You did nothing with a capital N. So you have no right to preach
Correct.
today and say you shouldn't have asked us questions.
Correct.
We were absolutely right and the opposition was right in asking you
Arnab.
the questions at that time. Meghnad
Neither
Desai
of
coming in.
them
Meghnad
are
Desai.
Arnab, you are
Neither of them
aware
are
Meghnad
voting
Desai is
for
coming in,
holding
please. And we have
onions
Abhijit, the
before
businessman
the
from
Delhi
Kolkata, who's holding the line.
You are aware
think-
which state was holding onions
Meghnad
before
Desai.
the Delhi elections?
Meghnad Desai.
Can I? You know, I think when Narendra Modi said whatever he said in opposition about diesel prices, he was wrong. And if the opposition party today say the same, they are wrong. Opposition parties always have silly things to say about economic affairs, and we are to ignore them. At the same time, we must not expect governments to be so effective that
Correct.
they can quickly control inflation in 3 months or 3 months. That is wrong economics. Things take time. Harvests take time
But
to
they-
arrive.
How
And
does
economics
no,
fail.
sorry,
It takes
Meghnad
time to
Desai.
unload stock
Meghnad
or
Desai,
import-
why
or import.
would
Even
controlling
importing
hoarding take
onions-
time?
Importing onions takes time.
Why
So
would
don't
controlling
we
hoarding
say,
take time?
Okay, if you want to say Modi government has failed, Modi government has failed completely, let's have new elections.
I'm saying
Is
what?
that the
Why
answer?
would controlling hoarding
Is that
take
the answer
time?
you want? You want that the answer? Is that the answer? Arnab, is that the answer you want? That Modi government has failed completely and utterly. Let's have new elections.
No, but you cannot, sir.
Obviously not.
No, but
Give the government
no, Meghnad
time.
Desai, I'm not
Inflation will
looking for
take-
a hyperbolic
inflation
answer
will
like
take
that.
9 to 12 months to bring down.
I
never said, and in any circumstance, I never said.
Sir, oops. I just lost the line at that point with our satellite link getting, getting disconnected with London. That's not the point. It's not about anyone failing. It's not about anyone failing, is it? It's simply about understanding that you need to take some responsibility. I can't accept, for example, Suresh Prabhu, I can't accept Meghnad Desai's line that a central government can't do anything. It's not the central government's job to bring down prices.
No, he
No,
never
that's
said
not true.
No,
That's not
actually,
true.
He
That's
did
not
not
true.
say that.
No, one
Something,
second. Suresh
state
Prabhu.
government can do something, everybody has to do it. There is no question about it. The question is, how much time you need on the part of the central government. If you expect the central government has just taken office, there has been a big hole in public finances of the central government. There are so many under provisions for fertilizer subsidy, for food subsidy, for some of the ongoing schemes of the government. There is no provision made. So fiscal deficit is bound to rise. With that, the inflation will also rise. So therefore, we have to take corrective steps. Now, to take those steps, are you going to give time? Or we can blame the government, but by blaming, is it the solution? So if at all you want to put the blame, we should
Yeah, but announce the
on the right
announce the solution.
The government we took office is
Sir,
responsible.
announce the-
Or government we debited office is responsible. That is what is important.
What?
Because this is a legacy which is carried
Sir, you
forward.
can't
from
keep
the
blaming
inaction, wrong
legacy,
action of the
Professor
previous government.
Vaidyanathan. You can't keep blaming legacy. The legacy also is that we
very
allowed
important.
44,000
It is
crore
reality.
rupees of food to be wasted
No,
because we don't have cold
I-
storage.
prudent.
I agree
Professor.
with you, Arnab.
There is
I
a
agree.
there is a huge provisioning that needs to be done in this budget.
I agree with
Professor.
Fiscal prudence and UPA is an oxymoron. UPA was never ever worried about fiscal prudence. It's history, let's throw it. Now, you are only talking about onion. What about the large service sector? LKG prices have gone up by 100%. What about the doctor fee, which has gone up by 50%? Now, I will tell you what should have been done. Interstate Council of all the chief ministers should have been called on an emergency basis by the Prime Minister. Why are we not doing it? If states are involved in hoarding, let's have a meeting of
agree.
all the state CMs. Let a clear-cut policy be told to the states.
No, they're doing it on the
Have
phone.
you ever had
They're
the
doing that on
meeting of the
phone.
chief ministers of the states?
On the line, Abhijit is a businessman from Kolkata. Abhijit, good evening.
You must appear to take steps.
Abhijit, can you hear me from Kolkata?
Yes, I can hear you.
And what's your point and to whom? Good evening, Abhijit.
Another thing, Arnab, our good
Let's get
friend
Abhijit in,
Lord
Professor. Let's get a couple of callers and I'm going to Abhijit next, Professor.
We should be reminded that Lord Keynes told in the long run we are all dead.
I take your point.
About 12 months, 15 months.
Absolutely. I'll let Swami answer that after some time. Abhijit, hi. What's your point?
That's what I also want to make, that we are just talking about onions and potato. Why are we not talking about other stuff? Food, cereals, wages, car, petrol, driver salary, staff salary, everything is going up so high. How can somebody survive in this kind of atmosphere?
Abhijit, thanks for that. I take your point. Food inflation is sometimes more apparent and also more volatile. But your point is very well taken. Very good point. Thanks for calling, Abhijit. One more caller. Venugopal is calling in from Pune. Hello, Mr. Venugopal.
LKG prices have gone up 100%.
Hello, Mr. Venugopal. Arnab here. Can you hear me?
Hello, yeah.
Go ahead. Make your point, sir.
Yeah, I've got 2 quick points. When the government knows that the price rise is due to hoarding, why can't they take harsh steps to gain the people's confidence? At least people will be happy that some steps have been taken, some hoarders have been put behind bars. And number 2, the agricultural land is reducing day by day due to irrampant growth of the real estate sector. What is the action to be taken for that so that the agricultural produce increases?
I take your point. We'll take an answer on the first one. It's also intrigued me a lot. Swami, do you have an answer to that? One of our viewers says, Swami, can you hear me? Can you hear me, Swami? What?
Yes, vaguely.
Yeah, one of our viewers says, why can't you make an example by going after a few hoarders? At least you'll send the shiver down the spine of quite a few. You're going to have a ripple effect. Because none of these hoarders seems to be scared at all of the system going after them.
No, if the issue is hoarding, by all means, every state government should be going after them. It's a state government matter. And they are not all BJP governments. I mean, Calcutta doesn't have a BJP government, Madras doesn't have a BJP government. So there are lots of non-BJP. So by all means, go after those guys. But some of the solutions I'm hearing, frankly, I feel like laughing. Go on a war footing. I mean, as though, I think for the last 40 years as a journalist,
that's Professor Vaidyanathan.
War footing.
Yeah.
Some kind of, you're going to get the army out and bring prices down. Excuse me, wars don't produce. People say, have a meeting of all the chief ministers, big conference.
No.
Conference
Let Professor defend himself.
These are solutions. They are bogus solutions.
No, 1 second.
Many real problems. The problems cannot be wished away by saying armed action, send the army, shoot people.
Talk to them.
There are a huge number of technical issues involved. We definitely need to improve the supply. You need a cold chain, which we've been talked about. It has not been brought about. It has not been brought about, among other things, if you keep giving free electricity to farmers and the state electricity boards are all run down, you will never get a proper cold chain. Over and above that, you need a dehydration policy. So that, onions and potatoes can be rehydrated whenever the supply is short. You can feed the market again. Again, you need a situation where there are welfare groups in every colony in Delhi. It can be in every single city. That if you see there's a very huge gap between retail and wholesale, you should go out and buy.
No, 1 second.
There are a number of these separate solutions.
1 second.
It is not going to be done by saying everything will happen if you send out the army, or everything will happen.
No, I don't think that's being said.
Chief ministers,
Swami.
Mr. Modi
Swami, hear me. Swami, hear me. Swami, hear me. 1 second. No, Bejon Mishra, 1 second. Let me get into this. Professor. Professor.
War footing doesn't mean army to be sent.
No, he can't get.
You have to show certain amount of.
What's a Professor? I'm saying something. I'm intervening at this point. I'm intervening at this point between Bejon Mishra and Professor Vaidyanathan on one side and Swaminathan Iyer on the other. Because Swaminathan Iyer directly takes on these two gentlemen and he says to them that some of the solutions they are talking about, in Swami's words, not mine, Professor, some of what you and Bejon Mishra are saying are laughable. He says you don't do things like that. There are certain steps to be taken. Clearly, Swami indicates that either your understanding is flawed or the solutions you're presenting tonight are flawed. I think it is fair that I should let Professor Vaidyanathan from Bangalore and Bejon Mishra respond to Swami. But because I have to take a short break, Swami, I'm taking a break. And when we come back on the other side, Professor Vaidyanathan and Bijon Mishra will respond to Swaminathan Iyer, who says some of what they've been saying on the News Hour debate tonight, frankly, in his view, are laughable. Back in a few minutes. Petrol prices go up by 1.69 rupees per litre, excluding state taxes. Diesel by 50 paise. Onion prices, food prices, potato prices, tomato prices, cabbage prices and beans prices are up. There is great concern about what's going on. And Swaminathan Iyer lunged into Professor Vaidyanathan and Bijon Mishra just before we went into the break, and he said they have no understanding. And I see your hand go up, so I'm just summarizing it for our viewers. He said you have no understanding of the way things work. It is not like you need to declare war or you have one meeting and you're going to solve the whole problem. I think Swami was responding to your severe criticism of the way the government is functioning when you said, this government is more concerned about Sensex and FII. But I must let you have your turn first. Professor Vaidyanathan, then Bijon Mishra, then we'll close in a few minutes. Yes, please. Professor. To Swami.
Arnab, when one says war footing, it doesn't mean you send the army. Somebody suggested that the problem lies with the state government.
Exactly.
In which case, there is a mechanism called interstate council that can be called. Somebody suggested the problem is hoarding, in which case it can be done. And Swami says that the Bengal government and Tamil Nadu are different. But what about huge governments like Madhya Pradesh, Rajasthan, Punjab, Gujarat, Goa? You mean no hoarding at all in these states is taking place? If hoarding is an issue. The point is, you can have a short-term measures. If the supply is an issue, open up completely. Let it be imported, unrestricted, without taxes, for a very few weeks perhaps. If it is going to be a medium term, fine solution. If it is long term, but clear-cut enunciation of these policies should be made. That is what is lacking.
Okay,
Again,
Swami, you heard that. Bijon Mishra now, limited time tonight. Limited time tonight. I'm letting Bijon Mishra respond.
It will take 1 year.
And what?
I can't wait with my potato bag for 1 year.
And Arnab, what I meant was the central government can intervene. There is something known as in economics, which Professor Swaminathan knows, that there is something called market interventions. So the central government can get NAFAD, NABARD, all the central government agencies to come in promptly to help and enhance the ability of the traders to ensure that they can buy from wholesalers directly and they can reduce the margins. They can reduce all these margins which
how
are
do you
going
know
up
they're not
due
doing
to
it?
Whatever you can call it, hoarding.
How do you know they're not doing it?
No, I'm saying even
how do you know? On 17th, 1 second, on 17th of June.
Because I've not heard
on
it.
17th,
I have not heard it.
On 17th of June, Arun Jaitley asked the states to delist fruits and vegetables from the Agriculture Produce Market Committee list in order to allow the farmers to sell the produce directly into the open market. Was that not intervention?
He also
was that not intervention?
But
or
you
was
need
that
money.
intervention
You
not
need
good
money.
enough? I gave you one example.
You
3 months ago.
No, you need. You have to give soft loans.
There was also
NABARD has to come in with the microfinancing system
fixed for potato and onions.
Maybe there.
I think Arnab. I think you see the government is fully aware of its responsibility. The government knows this is a top priority. Control of prices is a top priority for the government. Let me finish, Sanjay.
That's the only
you can come in when I finish.
All the BJP government.
Sanjay, let me finish.
Agriculture from APMC.
No. You see, the fruits and vegetables, all the states have been advised to take it out because these are the prices that are likely to be very high during summer months, and also these are the prices where the traders' margins are the highest. And as far as the food grains are concerned, the government talked about release of rice to the open market. We have prevented. We have also put a minimum export price.
Mr. Rao,
so many things have been done.
Only one thing in conclusion. I'm letting Jayashree from Pune. Jayashree is calling in from Pune. I'll just tell you one thing. People of this country, look at it from the people's point of view. 10 years of back-breaking inflation. After that, you're going to say it's going to take a little bit more time. Tell us how much time. Tell us what measures. Tell us what time frame.
Very responsive.
Let it be.
No. Arnab,
okay, so Jayashree is calling in from Pune. Jayashree, one caller tonight. Jayashree, good evening from Pune. Reduce the volume, please, Jayashree, if your television set, otherwise I won't be able to hear you.
Good evening, Arnav.
Go ahead and reduce the volume of your TV set, please, Jayashree.
Yes. Hi, good evening, Arnav. After a long time, my comment comes to you. Let me remind, yes, my volume is low. Yeah. Hello? Hi, Arnav. After a long time, my comment comes. I would like to remind our esteemed panelists that a BPL family in India, their income is rupees 32 per day. And it is impossible for an ordinary individual to survive with the way the price hike is going up of essential items, that is food, medical care, gas, education, and all these are not luxury items. They are essential items, life-saving items.
I take your
and my
point.
question goes that stop this blame game now, and this goes to my eminent panelists on both the sides.
I think you've spoken for everyone today, Jayashree. First of all, good talking to you. Thank you for calling. You've spoken for everyone tonight. These are not luxuries. Basic essentials of life are becoming beyond the reach of the Aam Aadmi. This is not what was promised.
Mr. Rao, why has the BJP government delayed the Food
Let
Security
the
Act?
BJP government give us.
If the Aam Aadmi is going to suffer, why
I'd
delay
say
the Food Security Act by
I'd
3
say let the
months?
BJP government give us a time frame now. We need a solution, and we deserve to know what the time frame is. Thank you very much for joining me on debate number 1 on the News Hour tonight.